In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new accounting system using Zoho Books. Whether you're just getting started with your business or shifting from another platform, setting up your accounting system properly can save you a lot of time and headaches down the road. So let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're in, you need to look for a tab labeled Organizations on the top menu. It's the hub for managing your existing accounts and setting up new ones. So, click on Organizations. This takes you to a page where you'll see any current organizations if you set some up previously. On this page, find the Manage option and click on it. Having clicked on Manage, you'll now see a button called New Organization. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll start setting up your new accounting system from scratch. After clicking New Organization, another button labeled Add New Organization should appear. Click this button to proceed. Now we're moving into the setup phase where you formally establish the basics of your organization within Zoho Books. You're going to enter your organization's name, which is a crucial step. Keep in mind that the organization name should be your business's officially registered name. It helps maintain consistency across all your accounting and financial records. Once you've entered the name, look for the Organization Location prompt. This is where you'll need to specify the physical location of your organization. It's essential to provide accurate location details, as they can affect everything from taxes to compliance, especially if you're dealing with international laws. After entering your organization's location, you'll see an option to click on Let's Get Started. This is the point in the process where your organization is created within Zoho Books, and you can start customizing it to suit your specific needs. Next up, you'll want to set up your organization profile, and here's how. Click on Set up your organization profile. This step is really about tailoring the setup to better reflect your business's needs. It involves inputting vital information like contact details and your organization's logo. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click on Get Started. This action finalizes your initial setup and leads you into the main dashboard where you can manage your accounting needs. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a new accounting system in Zoho Books. Remember, properly managing your system from the very beginning helps prevent problems in the future like inaccurate reporting or compliance issues. Now you're ready to begin recording transactions, generating reports, and managing your financials efficiently. Thanks for watching this walkthrough on setting up a new accounting system using Zoho Books. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical business solutions. See you in the next video.